Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm going to be testing this for Ali Grobotine, she's not on YouTube, she's only on Facebook, and the name of her company is Mermaid Oasis Boutique, and this is her hand soap. So I'll be trying this for a month to see how it is, and the ingredients are printed right on the bottle here, okay? And this one has distilled water, Castile soap, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. It's 10 fluid ounces, 300 milliliters, and she has her contact information on here and everything right there. And here's the ingredients. And as y'all can see, it's a pump bottle. It's a foamy soap. I'll be trying this for a month to see how it works with my hands because I have extremely dry skin. And she sent me a box of her products to try. But I explained to her I like to test each one for a month, give my notes, take notes and stuff like that, and give my honest opinion on each item individually instead of as a collective. So this is going to be the first one that I try. It's organic foaming hand soap, and in a month I will let you all know what how it helps with dry skin and stuff like that and everything. So let me try something here. There's like a lemony smell to it, but I will let you all know again how um it works for me. So I will see you all in a month with the results and my opinion on this item. Okay? So I will say this as I usually do, my little spiel. Be kind, be loving, be caring, stay safe, be safe, and most of all, be gentle. And as I always say, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.